The sky turns gray against a fiery display of red and golden hues, like the day I fell for you.
What is going on, guys? Mase Barber come back to us with yet another video, and in today's video we're gonna be doing things a little different. So if you guys are new here, usually I do barbering videos and everything barber related, but I'm getting tattoos today, so I'm gonna be vlogging the whole process. I don't know, I always like watching these types of videos, and I feel like it'd be a cool memory for me to have. So that's what we're gonna be doing. If you guys can't tell, it's super early. It's 8:30 right now. Usually I start work at like 10, and I'm not even up before 9, so it's an early morning for me. I have the full day booked with the tattoo artist, so yeah, I'm gonna go pick up some food, pick up my girlfriend, and then I'll get back to you guys when I'm at the tattoo shop. By the way, if you guys are wondering why I haven't been posting much this month, it's basically just because I took the 1st to the 10th of January off, and then came back to the shop for about 2-3 days, and then ended up catching COVID, so I had to take another 10 days off. And then yeah, but now we're back, so I'm gonna be filming some more, you know, barbering content for you guys. But yeah. Hello.
Might be on something. I might do the right thing. Spike Lee on something. I just might sip on something. Disappear for a month. I might dip on something. Springing into action like a bungee cord. Standing on the corner getting no applause. Squinting through my eyes, I don't know them boys. What you hoping for? Cream, get the money, dollar bill, y'all. Ramen noodles for a meal, how I feel, dawg. Why you placing judgments? I'm just trying to live, dawg. Put it on my head, cause it's not what it appeared, dawg. Low key, cutting through the bushes so they never scope me. In the field where the lane is stuck. You got chain, you got cane, what's your name? What's up? Where the real dope dealers looking lame as fuck, but the real dope women looking plain as fuck. Well, I'm just trying to change it up. I'm myself. Why you trying to be the same? For what? If you got a copy, niggas play the game for what? If you ain't trying to hit the bullseye, you aim for what? Come on, man.
Nice.
Like the match to match the vibe.
Like that, right?
I shouldn't take too much time because I'm not doing no one. Is that for your siblings?
For my mom, and my dad, and my brother.
Okay. Okay, so it's good that I wanted to get them.
Yeah, that's why I wanted to.
As I roll the 85, like I'm on the getaway.
Can you flip it one time? Like try to.
Oh, you know what? This,
yeah. So then you would just do the 2 diamonds? No, with that
I can
first.
still do the small one, or we can just do about the small one. Just do kind of like going like this.
I like that, yeah. That I like.
Yeah. It's been a nice day, trying to do the right thing. I'm trying to get the right pay. Hey, it's been a long week. Niggas swear they show me love, but we don't speak. Niggas swear they got my back, but we don't eat. It ain't real if you gotta ask a nigga what it's gonna be. Gotta be careful when your reputation is growing. When you shine a little bit, niggas hate when you show it. Make you blind a little bit, niggas hate that you're glowing. I see they shrinking all the time, and they hate that I'm growing. I'm like a room in a moon.
And I don't want to put it too much on the elbow.
Yeah, that hurts, eh?
Oh, we'll make it touch the very.
Yeah, that's cool to me.
Get away, cause I gotta get away. Like the match the vibe. As I roll
We
the
can do that, or like I don't know if you have like an important number, because you see how you have the stars and the contracts.
Yeah.
A number could be here, and then also just go.
Can I see so far? Wow.
Yeah, it's still too big.
Yep, but no problem.
Yeah.
Smaller. I'll show it to you first.
Okay. And then for that, would you do like negative again? Like
Yeah, for sure.
Okay.
Yeah, so negative and
Right. Okay.
We finished the bottom of my arm, and then we took a break. So I went back home to eat, and then yeah. So we're gonna go back, and then I'm gonna be doing something on my ribs, and I'm not looking forward to it because my arm really hurt. So the ribs is gonna be even worse. But yeah, I'll get back to you guys when we get there.
Look, they thinking they boxes, ain't no way to box this. I just do my own thing, that's the trending topic. Vacating the trap.
Tell me stop when you want me to stop.
Okay, time out. Is that the worst spot?
There is, yeah.
No, like where you are right now.
No. The ribs though. We're not at the ribs yet.
Yeah, it's slight. It doesn't hurt no more.
I take no advices, I take all my vices. I go get my license, I know what my rights is. Not trying to be righteous, I know where the line is. Look, what's on you?
I need to see it.
You don't get no bread, you want keto. It's the jungle net geo. Why would you fucking meddle with my needle? Play your role, boy you Tito. Watch me hit the Billy.
I feel like that was the worst part, no?
If
what?
On the bottom part of the
Nah, like where you just went over.
yeah, like right on it.
Right, this is bad too.
Under the armpit, yeah.
Yo, I'm crying, bro.
And you're gonna work out today, you said?
Probably not. I don't know. It's legs though, so shouldn't be bad.
The stencil will come out when you shower.
That's hard.
No, do one at a time.
No, they're both good. They're good. Everything's good.
Thank you. I don't know if you guys could tell how much pain I was in through the video, but it was horrible. Like, no numbing cream, nothing. Honestly, I think that rib, it hurt like 9 out of 10. It was just killing. But yeah, I'm back home now. This is what it's looking like. Bam. Before I even washed it, I came home and I just passed out for 2 hours. That's how exhausted I was. But I just wanted to explain the tattoos to you guys. So right here, we just have an angel holding a barber pole, kind of like my guardian angel handing a barber pole to me. And then we have 3 stars for my dad, my mom, my brother. And then right here, I have diamonds to fill in this spot because of the quote that I have. It says, "Pressure makes diamonds." And then back here, I got number 13, just because that's always been like my jersey number. If you guys didn't know, I used to play hockey. But yeah, and then I got this. If you guys can't tell, it's like 2 faces. My dad couldn't tell at first. But reason for that being, I just always wanted that tattoo, so I went ahead and got it. There's no meaning for it. It's just, I just find it looks cool. And yeah, that's why I got it. So if you guys have a full day booked ahead of you, tips from me to you: eat a lot, be rested, and get you some numbing cream, because I didn't have and I wish I did. But yeah, it's gonna be it for today's video. If you guys came for the tattoo, like just for the tattoo vlog, check out my page. I make barber videos. And yeah, it's gonna be it for me. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
dun, 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 dun.